In this video, I'm going to show you how to loop audio in Pro Tools. Now, how to loop audio depends on what you're actually trying to achieve. So if you actually want to loop your playback, you can simply go to Options up top and you can click on Loop Playback, or you can just right-click on the play button up top and you can click on the loop button over here, okay? Now that's going to loop your playback. So of course that's if you want to loop your playback, but if you want to actually loop the audio as if you're trying to basically like copy and paste it as many times as you want, the easiest way would be to select grid top left, so this normal grid, and then you want to go to this tool over here which is called trim tool, and you want to right click it. So by default it's going to be like this, right click and select loop. Now from here you want to go to the very edge of your audio, so in here, and then click and drag, and as you can see it's looping my audio and I can go as far as I want. Okay, so those are the best ways to loop your audio in Pro Tools. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.